Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Telegram this group can't be displayed, and here's how it is done. Use any web browser to access Telegram's web version. Go to web.telegram.org and log into your account. Click on the menu icon, three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down the menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security. Find the option related to filtering or content blocking. Disable any filtering settings that might be preventing the group from displaying. After making changes, go back to your Telegram app and refresh the page where the group was previously not displaying. You should now be able to view the group without seeing the error message. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix Telegram this group can't be displayed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.